We are here at our one bedroom apartment number 219 at platform 14. Let's take a look. This unit is west facing, so as you saw when we walked in, we were greeted with lots of natural light. Right when you come in, you get the large kitchen with bar top and stainless steel appliances. Lots of cabinetry to store all your cookware. What I love is our ice maker here in the freezer. Nice lighting under the cabinetry. Garbage disposal and another sink. You have adjustable shelves here. And then also at the entryway is a really large closet. So much storage in this floor plan. Next up, you have some pantry shelving and your front loading washer and dryer. Then we have our dining area here. And here's our carpeted living space. Our west-facing apartments are facing Orenco Station Parkway. And there in the distance, you can see some mountains. Good amount of counter space here in the one bed. And then lots of drawers here. You have a tub, and then we have a built-in shower rod that curves. And in the hallway, you have a linen closet where you can store your sheets and towels. And here's a large master bedroom with big picture window, lots of light. Let's go inside. And gigantic walk-in closet. You got that shelf where you can do more storage. You can put a dresser in that walk-in closet. Lots of storage options, lots of space. And all this great light in here. Can't beat that. Go ahead and give us a call so we can answer any questions, let you know about specials, set up a self-guided tour, or come meet with us. Talk to you soon.